Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today's episode, or starting today, I want to give design tips for those of you that may be new to decorating, or to those of you who are DIYing an event. So I want to give you some valuable information that will help to make your event elegant and beautiful. So once a week, I'm going to try to give out a tip. I'm going to try to be consistent with this. But for today, I want to kick this off with this design tip. And this is a design tip that I realized when I was decorating an event just recently. So as I share this design tip with you, I'm going to just be posting some videos to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So my design tip for today is to use what you have in the space. So the place that I was at, this is my second time designing there. And when I walked into the room, I noticed some things about the room that's beautiful. So when you walk into a space and whatever is beautiful there, you want to make sure you don't cover that up. You want to make sure you include that in your decorations. So with this room, I noticed the beautiful windows, the large windows on one side of the room. They're kind of like they're not clear, but they have some type of covering that you can see through, and you'll see it in the picture. So when I saw those windows, I said, I am not covering those windows up. And I used those windows in my decorations. Now, another thing that I like about this space is the picture frame. So when I first designed this space, I noticed the picture frames. I'm like, I'm not covering those beautiful picture frames up. So you can see that the picture frames are clustered in two places. But what I didn't like is that my head table, or for the bridal shower, I didn't have the table centered between them. So when I designed it for the second time, I made sure that I put my head table in front of the cluster of picture frames. And because my theme for the birthday dinner was crystals, I decided to not only line my table up with the cluster of picture frames, I also decided to put those crystals in front of those picture frames. So when one of my husband's friend, when he attended the event, he was like, did she do the pictures? Because the pictures look like they were a part of my decoration. And again, my design tip is use what you have in the space. I thank you so much for joining me today. Please let me know if you want to hear any other tips. So until I see you next time, bye.